to shut up and shoot.
Alright, here we go.
I got a baby blown over with a demon inside me.
Straight Shooter Coffee, the official coffee of Therapy Range. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Therapy Range. Today I've got a little something different for you. As many of you may know or don't know, I have kids, and for Christmas I bought my youngest son his first gun. An H&R 410, single shot 410. Many of you had one just like it growing up. I had one just like it growing up. His older brother had one just like it growing up. And I'm pretty sure even his older brother, the oldest boy, had one growing up too. So now he's got one. So we went outside and shot a couple shells off today. I figured I would record that and share it with everybody. I thought it was pretty cool. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And live your life to the fullest, because anything less is an injustice to yourself and every single person around you. For the next couple minutes, watch my son learn about how to use his freedom. Stay free, America. We're trying over here on Therapy Range. Hey, stop. Let's go over here. Keep that gun pointed in a safe direction.
Okay.
Come over here and shoot those 2 liters and stuff. Get close to them. Get closer. It ain't gonna bite you.
I don't want to get wet.
Oh my goodness. Alright, kick that shell out. Keep that gun pointed in a safe direction.
Wait, no.
There you go. Now, yep. Just put them shells in your pocket so you can keep them with you. Just be mindful where you're pointing that gun at.
Okay. That point I white?
Yep.
Okay.
Don't cock it until you're ready to shoot.
I know.
It's in your pocket.
Yeah.
You bought the boy his first gun for Christmas. It's the old H&R 410 single shot shotgun. Get up there closer. Quit being so scared. You're acting like Kentucky Ballistics. I got some on my glasses. Alright, now let's step back to a safe distance, back about where I'm at, and you can shoot that clay thing sitting up there, whatever the hell that thing is. Nice shot.
I think it was a headshot. Huh?
Well, that was definitely a headshot.
It's time to shut up and shoot.
Alright, here we go.